Each year, more than 2 lakh students give entrance exams like JEE and NEET. However, very few are able to crack this examination and reach their goals. What happens to the rest of them? Well, the answers can be many. However, if you funnel it down, it comes to only 9 reasons. These 9 reasons make an acronym. It is a secret followed by many successful students to crack their entrance exams. Do you want to know the secret? If yes, stay tuned on this video and I would reveal it to you. Hi, my name is Professor Mithyl Dave and welcome to MD's World of Concepts. I was talking about an acronym which is followed by all the successful students. The acronym is Mindspace. Yes, Mindspace. Let me reveal you each and every letter of this word which gives you the secret followed by all the successful students. The first letter is M. M stands for memorize. Each student needs to memorize all the formulas thoroughly so that it helps them to solve all the MCQs, all the numericals in the right manner. The letter I stands for inside the textbook. Any entrance exam is designed with the core idea of asking the questions from inside the textbook. Understand that any teacher would always ask you any question from inside the textbook. Whether it is an NCERT or a government textbook, doesn't make a difference. So, you need to read the entire textbook, each and every chapter thoroughly, at least 2 to 3 times. Then only you will be able to understand the gist of solving the MCQs. The letter N stands for numericals. Understand one thing, we need to solve all the numericals at least 2 to 3 times before the final examination. Also, when we have memorized the formula, it becomes very easy for us to solve the numericals. Usually, there are 2 types of numericals asked in the exam. One is a direct formula based numerical where you just need to apply the formula and solve the numerical. And the second type, which can be sometimes little lengthy, where you need to have at least 2 to 3 steps. For that, you need to have thorough practice. If you follow that, you are able to get maximum score in numericals, which play a major role in asking questions from physics and chemistry. The letter D stands for definitions. We need to know each and every definition in the textbook verbatim. This can only be achieved if we have gone through this textbook at least 2 to 3 times. Only when you go through that, you will be able to understand the language used in the definition, which helps us to give the right answer in the MCQs. The letter S stands for sums. When it comes to mathematics, the 2 marks and the 3 marks sums play a very important role for you to score maximum marks out of it. This can only be achieved if you are thorough with the formulas, the application of the formulas by the given data, and to solve it in that small limited span of time. If you are able to achieve that, you are able to score at least 60% of your maths exam. And I think that makes a big score out of it. The letter P stands for practice. Well, this word is one of the biggest words used in the life of a student. There is also a famous quote on it, practice makes a student perfect. The more you practice, the more you become closer to your goal. Understand one thing, students, there is no single book which will help you to achieve this goal. You can refer to Target or to Master Key or to Universal or to Marvels or to Pradna or any other publication that you follow for your entrance exam. However, remember one thing, the key to reach to your goal is to tremendous amount of practice. Only when you practice solving numericals, practice solving MCQs, practicing more of formulas and definitions, then you are able to come very close to your goal. The letter A stands for ask. The biggest mistake done by the entire students fraternity is they do not ask doubts, queries, difficulties, drawbacks to any of their faculties or teachers. Remember students, all the teachers are there to help you, to guide you, to mentor you. Even if you have any doubt, you can ask me too. I can help you out with that. But don't forget to ask questions. Solve it there and there. Only when you solve it, you are able to go ahead. There is a famous quote on that. It is better to be fool for 5 minutes rather than to be fool for the rest of life. Why do you keep doubts inside? Ask them freely. Don't worry at all. Clear them right now so that it becomes very easy for you to understand the next concept. Otherwise, it's like a dominoes effect. You don't understand one question, it has a direct link to another one. So there is an effect where you are not able to understand one, goes to second, goes to third, and there is a series, and ultimately you don't understand the chapter or you don't understand the subject at all. The letter C stands for celebrate. Yes, celebrate. After putting so much hard work, stress, it's time to celebrate also. Give small questions, solve them, answer them, and when you achieve good amount of score and you come very closer to your objective, every time celebrate. Well, now neuroscience also says that if you celebrate, there are particular hormones which are released in our body which motivates us to do more, to achieve more, and that creates a momentum, that creates an impact in your life, and you are able to zoom in more and you achieve it. The letter E stands for exam. This is the ultimate point in a student's life. Understand one thing, all the letters of the acronym ultimately leads to an exam. So, the more exams you give, the more you practice different examination papers, past papers, example papers, you are able to reach very closer to your goal. So solve as many as examination papers as you can to crack the JEE main, to crack the NEET or any other entrance exam that you are doing. These are the 9 reasons, these are the 9 techniques followed by all the successful students, and they are able to crack all the entrance exam. Trust me, I have seen that from many students, and if you follow it, you will be able to crack the same. So if you liked my video, understood each and every letter, do share me which are the techniques that you follow in the comments below, and share this video to all of your friends also. Let them know that the mind space is the secret. And if you want to achieve your goal to crack any entrance exam, follow the right mind space. This is Professor Mithyl Dave signing off, wishing you all the best for your entrance exam. Bye-bye.